Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be diving right into how you can use Airtable to manage your home improvement project effectively. Firstly, we start by setting up a new project in Airtable. This is the initial step where we create the framework for our project. We do this because Airtable lets us organize all our tasks, deadlines, and resources in one place. Once we've set up a new project, next up is creating different categories. Categories could be anything like plumbing, painting, or flooring. This helps us because dividing the project into categories lets us manage each aspect separately. It makes the whole process less overwhelming and more manageable. Now that we've done that, the next step is to assign tasks. For each category, jot down all the tasks that need to be done. Let me explain why this matters. It's critical to jot down even the smallest of tasks to ensure nothing gets overlooked and everything gets done in an organized manner. The reason we do this next step is to keep everything on track. Setting deadlines. Assign a deadline for each task. This helps us because it allows us to keep an eye on progress and ensure that the project gets completed on time. Lastly, we'll look at adding resources. Resources could be anything from materials needed to the contractor's contact information or even notes about the task. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This helps us keep all the necessary information in one place. That's it. You've now seen how simple it is to use Airtable to manage your home improvement project. By following these steps, you can ensure that your project runs smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.